So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial, I will show you how to download and edit 3D text effects. So first, the website for you to download is actually called magnific.com. Before it was actually Prefic, but now it is magnific.com. So here is the website. You can just head over to your Chrome browser and then type magnific.com. You can see it here. So this is the interface of the website. So first you come over to this search bar here and then write type text effects. So you can actually hit on search, the searching, so you can actually see some of the text effects here. So if you look carefully, you can understand there is some of the text effects that have this crown at the downside, left hand side. You can see it here. So for any of the text effects that has this crown, that means it's for premium access. You have to subscribe. You can see it's actually premium. So but the ones without this crown, you can see some of the ones that doesn't have crown. You can see this one, I can download it freely. So that is it. So for the ones with premium, you have to pay before you can actually have access to it, but for the other ones you can actually download it and use it. So we are downloading the one that is not premium. So let's take an instance. This is okay. Let's take an instance. This is vegan. We can actually download it here. So it's actually downloading. So it has been downloaded. So you can actually hit over to your downloads on your file manager and then extract it. So you can see it as a zip file here. For you to actually extract it, right click and then extract, or you can actually see it as, you can actually click on this extract in order to extract your work. So it has been extracted, see it here. So for you to edit it on Photoshop, it's just for you to hit over to file, open, and then go and locate your 3D text. Let's take an instance. This is the 3D text. Let me use this one as an example that I extracted. Both 3D editable text effect. I will just double click on it so you can actually see it here. So if you look at the layers here, there is one layer here. You can see place your kaza. You can just double click it and then it will reach it will actually take you to here where you see the thing is actually transparent. So you just have to double click it. You can see replaced, just because I don't have this phone on my installed on my Photoshop. So I'm replacing this font with another font. So I will click on this replaced. So let's take an instance. I'm writing JY. I'm going for GY. Should I use capital letter? The idea is for you to understand. So I will just type GY and then reduce the text, reduce the size of the text, and then maybe I can actually go here and change the font here. From here, let's take an instance. I'm using BPass. BPass regular, yeah. So I will just hit on this and OK it. So you can actually press Control S in order for you to actually save your work to that 3D editable text. So if you look at here, I can actually go to this 3D editable text effect that I started with. So you can actually see it here, GY. So you can see it here, it has been edited. So for you to actually download this as a PNG, you can actually remove this text, hide this. Okay, this is the I can hide this. Okay, this one is correct, and then the background can go. So you can actually go and export your work as PNG for you to actually use in your graphics work. So you can see and just turn it to PNG and then save it. That is all. So that is just how to download and edit your 3D text using Photoshop. Thank you very much for your time. Do have a nice day, guys. Give me a thumb up, like this video, and drop a comment if you actually like me to continue doing tutorials on Photoshop. Thank you very much. Do have a nice day. Cheers.